Yo, this your boy that deal. We got a 98 Jeep Laredo, 5.2. Nothing, no miles really. Got a 99 Grand Marquis 4.6. No miles to it. About to do an exhaust test. See who got the
Cat
better.
delete.
Well, I got 4 cats on the Grand Marquis and all of them is took off. And the Jeep has 2 cats and they still on here. So it's no cats versus 2 cats, you know?
No cat versus cat.
Yeah. Got my nigga P Nasty. Get it up closer. There you go. That's better. You know, stock exhaust. It's not bad.
None of your business. None of your business.
That's my niece. Yep. Now time for the Grand Marquis 4.6. It's not bad. It's not bad. Nah. Wait. Nah.
I should have shut off at higher RPM.
We need everybody to be the judge. Tell me who has a better exhaust test, the 5.2 or the 4.6.
No cats versus cats. And I still say my shit sound better.
No, I feel like the Grand Marquis sound better, but y'all can be the judge.